Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sean from the Millionaire Mindset. I'm just doing this training really quick on to show you guys how to make a logo for free. So the website you want to visit is logomakr.com. That's logomakr.com. If you look at the top, this is where you want to go. So basically, here I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tutorial. This is where you would put like text. As you see, the text just popped up, right? If you wanted shapes, you can go here, right? They have squares, right? Triangles, circles, right? Polygons. So you can like really play with this and kind of like build out your own logo, right? This is to change the color and things of that nature. You see over here, you can move it manually to put whatever you want. Let's just start off, right? Let's do millionaire. Let's see, let's change the color. Where's our text? I think our text is still going. Well, it's fine. Let's do this. Millionaire mindset. Right? So this would be an example of a logo right here. At the top, all you have to do is just click on the logo, and at the top you can pick like what kind of font you want it to be in. Right? So this is just examples of the type of font you can actually choose for your logo. Right? Millionaire mindset. Right? And so you can use this logo maker just about for anything, right? Millionaire mindset, right? So this is what you would do, right? And you can really type in at the top anything, like maybe if you want to put millions, right? And it's going to show you images that represent, let's try money, choose money, you know? And so you can kind of change this around, you know? Or, you can put whatever you want to put. Let's try something different. So, like I said, this is the free way to create a logo. This is absolutely free of cost. For those of you that have a Shopify store, this is something easy that you can create. Let's do gadgets or right. This would be a cool name of a store, right? You could kind of like make this bigger here. You kind of like drag it around, right? At the top, you could just maybe type in maybe shopping, right? A nice little cart, right? And here you have a logo. Gadgets are us. This is really cool. This is something that you can just really, this is for starters, if you don't have any money to go to like Fiverr, this is a website that you can go to, by the way, Fiverr.com, to actually get a logo made. There's tons of people on here that actually will create your logo for about $5. And so you can just go to logo, type in logo. You also have t-shirt designs and things of that nature, videos edited for your business. So right here, if you scroll down, you got some for 50, 180, 15 bucks. We're gonna look at some more that's a little bit more cheaper, right? So we could do maybe to 10 bucks. And so this is how you search, and you're gonna find logos that's no more than 10 bucks now. See, they have about 68, right? Basically reviews, and they have 5 stars. So if you want a more professional logo, you can just go straight to Fiverr for $5. bucks. Contact Muhammad Hassan. Can't pronounce his name the right way, but he does logos. The work looks pretty decent, right? So if you want something like this, you could definitely hit up. I'm not gonna say his name because I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Right? So this is just an example. So this is how you make a logo absolutely free, or you can just hit up Fiverr for just a couple of bucks. You could change the color like I showed you guys. Right? Gadgets are us. Right? And the way that you download it, you hit the save logo. Now they do have a paid version, which is $19. Right? This is more for higher quality, but we're gonna go with the free version. So we're gonna download, and so if anyone asks us where we get the logo from, we have to give this site credit. So this is where, if you're starting a new Shopify store, you can definitely come here and create a logo for absolutely free. And so this is how the logo looks. Pretty cool logo. It's really cheap. Doesn't cost a lot of money. No money at all, really. It's absolutely free. So if you guys have any questions, if you like this video, just do me a quick favor. Make sure that you like this video, you share this video, and you subscribe to this channel and follow us. Right? If you're looking to really take your business to the next level, follow us, Ecom Millionaire Mindset. This is what we do. We help scale your business to the moon. All right. Thank you so much for